In April 2011, the second meeting of the Leonardo Agropuzzle partners took place. Teachers, with their students from 5 participating European countries, arrived to stay in Opava from the 3rd of April to the 9th of April. They were dealing with tasks set in the project. The official beginning of the meeting was at the agricultural school. The coordinator of the project welcomed everybody, and further, we were shown the school area with all its facilities. In the afternoon, we walked to the town center for a meeting with Opava's mayor. He wished us an enjoyable stay in this region at this very well-prepared and pleasant meeting. City Rally was a part of the students' quest in order to get to know better the historical sites of the town center. The second day was dedicated to the natural beauties. The people from Natura Opava organization presented unique places from this and wider area. Then we visited such a unique place, the Moss Lake with a peat bog near Ravies. To climb Praděd was the other half of the program for that day. Right at the beginning it was snowing and raining, but then the sun appeared and our journey could commence. The mountain scenery was rather astonishing. On Wednesday, we had an excursion on a dairy farm in Krušberk. They raise cows for meat and obviously for milking purposes. They also sell calves. We could see the management of the farm. Its manufacturing practices show the example of bioquality in terms of taking care of cattle. On our way to the second farm in Jakartovice, we walked around the nearby dam, serving as an artificial lake providing drinking water supplies for the major part of the region. In Jakartovice, we could see the clear example of a business in agrotourism. The magnificence of horses really is a magnet to many customers, and so it was for us. We could try a little bit of horse riding too. There also was a rodeo kind of show with skilled horsemen. At the end of this long day, we visited the Arboretum in Nový Dvůr. There are some new greenhouses with lots of exotic plants, and it also offers a splendid walk around the park. Thursday belonged to the UNESCO listed monuments and sites. In Kroměříž, we could admire the elegance and grandness of the vast castle garden and the pleasure garden. The former owners were the archbishops, who could afford to create such enormous nature spots around their residences. They were influenced to the large extent by royal courts of the past era and its architects and artists. The plaque column in the historical city center of Olomouc was the last aim of our journey. On the next day, we visited a grove in Hněvošice, where we were given another lecture provided by Natura organization. The grove is one of the nature reservations, and the very last place we went to was a family farm in a village called Štitín. We realized that raising is not a matter of quantity. Important is to develop suitable condition for animal breeding and soil that feeds them. In the afternoon, on our way to school, where this Czech mobility began and now was to be completed, we got the chance to have a look around the Opava Easter markets. Inspired by that, we could make our own Easter decorations at school. This enjoyable activity made a very nice ending to the whole week's work. At the end of each day, the students with their teachers managed to outline the main points of the whole day's experience. We strongly hope this project has been helpful for the young people to integrate with other people from the foreign countries.